Are you an entrepreneur who's feeling overwhelmed with the constant pressure to create new content for social media? Do you have a desire to increase your brand awareness but are struggling to post consistently? Today, we're going to dive into a topic that can make your life as an entrepreneur and content creator a whole lot easier by repurposing content. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start repurposing your content in 5 simple steps. By the end of this, you'll have a game plan to make your presence on social media consistent and stress-free. So let's get to it. Step 1, take stock of your existing content. Look at your blog posts, podcasts, videos, and even former social media posts. These are great sources of content that can be represented with repurposing. Step 2, identify evergreen content. This is a type of foundational content that you speak about on a consistent basis that you can share over and over again. So use things like long-form training videos, keynote speeches, podcasts, and tutorials. This is a type of content that is timeless and is relevant to your brand message. Step 3, choose new formats. Now this is the time to get creative. So take your evergreen content and present it in these 4 formats: video, audio, written, images, and graphics. Here's a real example. I have a podcast called Modern Day Unicorns, and for each episode, I'm able to post the following for each format. Video. There's a long form video that goes onto YouTube, the short form video that goes onto social media channels like Instagram, TikTok, even LinkedIn. Audio. The audio goes on all podcast platforms, and I might even make an audiogram. There's written content where I can make carousels, and if I wanted to, I can make blog posts or even emails. Then there's images and graphics, which I use for quotes and questions from the episode. The possibilities are truly endless. Have you already started your content repurposing journey? Leave a comment with your favorite format to repurpose. Step 4, schedule your repurposed content. Repurposing isn't just about recycling content randomly. You will want to create a content calendar and schedule when and where you'll share your repurposed content. This will keep you consistent and make sure that your audience sees your content across all platforms. Step 5, monitor and engage. After you start repurposing, keep an eye on how your audience likes it. Engage with comments, likes, and shares. This not only boosts your engagement, but also provides insights into what your audience wants to see more of. By doing these 5 things, you not only save time, but also reach a wider audience with your valuable information. Check out this next video where I walk you through how I create multiple YouTube shorts with AI in less than 1 hour.